Manufacturing is more advanced than ever. Full traceability is critical. Complex surfaces, multiple symbologies, large parts, extreme speeds. These applications need a different solution. Cognex barcode reading has evolved. The DataMan 390 makes difficult barcodes easy. Scan small, detailed codes or large parts with multiple codes and symbologies in high resolution at high speeds. Your application might be challenging, but setup isn't. The intuitive web interface guides you every step of the way, and AI makes it easy to find the right settings, even in complex use cases. Once you're up and running, AI identifies barcodes quickly, handling multiple codes and difficult surfaces with ease. Access the Cognex Training Library to expand your knowledge at your own pace. If you need to troubleshoot a problem, consult the online knowledge base or contact the Cognex support team through your preferred channel. Get more out of the DataMan 390 to fuel continuous improvement. Dual Ethernet connections allow rapid image offloading for rich data you can analyze in real time. Handle challenging barcodes with power and flexibility. DataMan 390. Barcode reading evolved.